Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color in the shade 06 Bordeaux. If you're a fan of bold, metallic lips, then this product might just be the perfect addition to your beauty collection. Kiko Milano's Metal Liquid Lip Color promises high coverage with a shimmering metallic finish that stays put throughout the day. Formulated to work on all skin types, this liquid lipstick is designed to offer long-lasting color while keeping your lips comfortable. In this review, I'll walk you through my personal experience with the product, its performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the product itself. The Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color comes in a sleek tube with a doe foot applicator, making it easy to apply and control the amount of product you use. The formula feels smooth and lightweight, and the pigmentation is definitely on point. This liquid lipstick provides a full coverage finish with just one swipe, and the metallic sheen is eye-catching without being too overwhelming. When it comes to ingredients, the formula is rich and creamy, but I didn't notice any heavy or drying feel on the lips, which is a huge plus. Unlike some matte lipsticks that can feel tight or drying, this one offers a comfortable wear, which I find especially important for a long-wearing product. While it's not marketed as hydrating, I didn't experience any noticeable dryness or flakiness after several hours of wear, which is a win. Now let's get into the real-world testing. I wore this lipstick throughout the day to see how well it held up. I applied it in the morning, and it lasted through a coffee run, a quick lunch, and several meetings. The metallic finish stayed intact, and the color didn't fade unevenly. However, it did start to wear off a little in the center of the lips after eating, but it wasn't too noticeable. You'll need to reapply after meals, but that's pretty typical for most lipsticks. One of the things I really appreciated was how comfortable this lipstick felt. Some high-coverage lipsticks can feel heavy, but this one had a weightless feel that didn't make my lips feel like they were stiff. The metallic effect gives it that extra glam factor, but it doesn't feel too over the top, which makes it versatile for both daytime and evening wear. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, this lipstick delivers excellent pigmentation and a stunning metallic finish that's not overly glittery. The formula is smooth, the color payoff is rich, and it's relatively long-lasting. The packaging is sleek, and the applicator makes it easy to get precise lines, which is always a plus. On the downside, the formula isn't transfer-proof, so it can smudge a little. As mentioned, you'll need to reapply after eating or drinking. The shade 06 Bordeaux is a beautiful deep red with a touch of burgundy, perfect for fall or any occasion where you want to make a statement. But if you're not into bold, metallic shades, this might not be for you. In terms of value for money, this lipstick falls into a mid-range price category, but it's still quite affordable given its quality. I'd say it's worth the price if you're someone who loves metallic lipsticks with high coverage and good staying power. It's not an everyday lipstick for everyone, but if you're looking for something special for a night out or a statement lip, this is a solid option. Compared to other high coverage metallic lipsticks, Kiko Milano offers good value. There are other products on the market that might last longer, but this one strikes a good balance between performance and price. You get what you pay for in terms of formula, application, and longevity. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and easy to carry around. It's not bulky, so it won't take up too much space in your bag, which is a win if you're on the go. So, who would this product be best for? If you love metallic finishes and want a high-coverage lip product that gives you a bold look without feeling uncomfortable, this might be right up your alley. It's perfect for special occasions or whenever you want your lips to stand out. However, if you're someone who prefers matte or more neutral lip colors, you might want to pass on this one. Mid-review, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so other beauty enthusiasts can discover reviews like this. Your support helps keep us bringing you honest insights. To wrap things up, the Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color in Bordeaux has its strengths: impressive color payoff, comfort, and a unique metallic finish, but it's not without its drawbacks, like the need for reapplication after eating. Ultimately, it's a great option if you're after something eye-catching and full of personality. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And of course, you can find the link to purchase it in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.